Hey everyone! Today I'm showing you how to download and install Figma on Windows 11. Figma is a powerful design tool that's completely free to start with, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have it up and running on your computer. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and head to figma.com. I'll put the direct link in the description below to make it easier for you. Once you're on the home page, look for the Products menu at the top of the page and click on it. From the Products drop-down, scroll down until you see Downloads. Click on that. Now you'll see the desktop app download options. Here's an important detail. Most of you will want the standard download for Windows option. That's for Intel and AMD processors. However, if you're using a newer device with an ARM processor, like some of the latest Surface devices, make sure to select Download for Windows ARM instead. Since I'm running Windows 11, I'll go ahead and click on this Download for Windows button. The download will now begin. This should only take a moment, so just wait until the download completes. Once the download completes, locate the Figma setup.exe file in your Downloads folder and double-click to run it. The installer will open and you'll see a prompt to log in with browser. Go ahead and click that button. This will open a new browser window where you can either sign into your existing Figma account or create a new one. If you're new to Figma, you can sign up using your email address, Google account, or other SSO options. In my case, I'll use Continue with Google option to log in with my Gmail account. Once you've entered your Gmail credentials correctly, click on Continue to proceed. Once you've completed the sign-in, click Open Figma Desktop app when prompted, then select Open in the confirmation dialog. And that's it! Figma is now installed and ready to use on your Windows 11 PC. You'll see the main Figma interface where you can start creating new designs, explore templates, or join existing projects. You've successfully installed Figma on Windows 11. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more design and tech tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.